And one of the big benefits of investing in a metal roof is the maintenance-free aspect of it. And the maintenance-free comes from two different areas. First off, you've got your stone-coated steel. And so steel is the same today, tomorrow, 50 years from now. It doesn't change. And so like an asphalt shingle can absorb moisture and freeze and thaw, and it starts breaking and cracking. Same thing with a concrete tile or a wood shake. But your metal doesn't absorb any water, so it's the same today all the way through. The other benefit is the way the roof is installed, it interlocks over top of those battens, and then at the edges it's cut and bent up, and then this cap comes down and around. So the whole seal is the metal. There's no sealant to go bad, there's no underlayment to go bad, it's just the metal. Everything's cut and bent up.